it is given that sine A is equals to negative 4 over 5 and cosine B is equals to 5 over 13, where A and B are in the same quadrant. So without using a calculator, we need to evaluate the cosecant pi over 2 minus B. So first, by looking at sine A minus 4 over B, I think what we need to do is we need to first try to break down the question. So let's go to the question straight and try to weaken the question and answer the question. But remember, not to be careful not to diverge too much in your thinking, and at the end of the day you end up with nothing. Okay, so make sure you focus on the question. Now, cosecant, using the knowledge that you know, cosecant can be written as 1 over sine pi over 2 minus b. So just be careful. A lot of you tend to write this out. For example, some of you actually go and write something like that. So once you write something like that, this one is actually absurd. Okay, so make sure when you write the sine, it must have come with the angle. Now by the third letter S, this is 1 over sine. Now sine pi over 2 minus b, by the complementary angle formula, when we know that sine of 90 degree minus theta is equals to cosine theta. This will be equals to 1 over cosine b. Okay, now 1 over cosine b. What's 1 over cosine b? Well, this is where we need to find out lah. Okay, so we can see that cosine b is 5 over 13, right? So this is 1 over 5 over 13, which gives me the answer to be 13 over 5. Okay, now next question, we are looking at part 2, where we're going to find cotangent A plus cosine pi minus D. Now cotangent A plus cosine pi minus B, cotangent A is the same as 1 over tangent A, and cosine pi minus B is the same as, well, the negative of cosine B. So I hope you still know your supplementary angle formulas well, okay, because you can treat that B as a cube and pi minus B is basically inside the second quadrant, where cosine is basically negative. Okay, that's why I have a negative sign. So this is where I need to go to my question. So I'm going to tell you, you need to draw the diagram and see what it looks like. Okay, so because you know that sine A is negative and cosine B is equals to 5 over 13, right? So you can conclude that, well, based on this, which quadrant will it be in? You're right, it has to be in the fourth quadrant. So both A and B, because sine A is negative, cosine B is positive, and A and B are in the same quadrant, so A and B are basically inside quadrant 4. Now just draw the triangle. In quadrant 4, now you have your A here, right? The opposites, this is your alpha, this is negative 4 over 5. You will have your adjacent to be 3. For B, which is also in quadrant 4, this is your alpha. Cosine B, this is adjacent, this is 5 over 13, this will be minus 12. So based on this, you can see that tangent A is also in the fourth quadrant. It will be minus 4 over 3. And over here, you can see that cosine B is already found out. It's 5 over 13. So with that, just write down the answer. 1 over tangent A is 1 minus 4 over 3 minus cosine B, which is 5 over 13. And it's also given in the question. And this should give you the answer as minus 3 over 4 minus 5 over 13, which is equals to negative 59 over 52. Okay.